Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Mailchimp email campaigns, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To fix your Mailchimp email campaigns, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the dashboard. Locate the campaign you need to fix and click on it. Review the campaign details to identify the specific issue. If there are any errors in the subject line, click on it to edit. Make the necessary adjustments, ensuring it's compelling and clear. Next, check the recipient list to ensure it's accurate. If you need to change the recipients, click on the To section. Select the desired audience or segment from the drop-down menu. Now, review the email content for any mistakes. Click on the Design Email button to edit the email content. Check for broken links, typos, or any design flaws. Update the content as needed, making sure it's visually appealing. Once you're satisfied with the changes, save your progress. Consider sending a test email to yourself to preview the campaign. After reviewing the test email, return to the campaign dashboard. If everything looks good, click on Schedule or Send to finalize your campaign. Monitor the campaign performance in the Analytics section after it's sent. Make note of any areas that could use improvement for future campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.